Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Wipro Mass Hiring 23-24 batch. The role and application process. In the particular video, we will discuss about everything. Exam date, salary. Last date is 30 August 2024. Let's start the video. Like and share the video. These all videos are for all of you. I already shared this update that Wipro 10,000 to 12,000 freshers mass hiring news 3 days ago, and now today the hiring is posted by Wipro team. It is related to the superset. Okay, so the superset Wipro mass hiring is announced. One of the most important point: work integrated learning program, Wipro School of IT Infrastructure Management, Elite National Talent Hunt, Star Hiring Program, Turbo Hiring Program, Elite Hiring Program. These all hirings are from Wipro, but now the first hiring is announced. That is a work integrated learning program. Okay. So that hiring is related to the Wipro's work integrated learning program WILP 24. Pan India is the location. CTC is 15,488 per month, and it is a salary breakup according to the first, second, third year stipend. Okay, and the joining bonus is 75,000. 10th standard, 12th standard and graduation 23-24 batch. BCA, BSc can apply for the opportunity if you are from 23-24. Okay, candidate will be invited for the test process who have completed 3-month cool off period. Means there is a clearly mentioned cooling period of 3 months. Candidate should be 18 years or above at the time of registration. Online assessment is there, in which verbal, analytical, quant and written communication test, business discussion, HR discussion, service agreement. This is the terms and condition of Wipro WILP work integrated learning program, that is related to LOI and everything. You have to click on apply now button, and you have to log in on the supersite and apply for the opportunity. Okay, so this is related to the WILP, and basically on the Wipro WILP, the degree of your choice or the job of your dreams, Wipro work integrated learning program. Okay, so you have to click on register now. So this type of page will be open, and the application deadline is 30 August. You have to click on apply now button, and you have to click on use self based resume. So they will ask some of the question. Your resume, please mention your preferred location. There are so many locations are here. Suppose I choose Kolkata. Please mention your second preference location and the third preference location. Do you have laptop, desktop to work? You have to click on yes. Choose your skill preference. They are giving the skill preference according to your technology skill set. Okay, have you studied mathematics, business maths and applied maths are not applicable as one of the subject in graduation? Yes, and you have to click on apply now button. Okay, so this is related to that. This is the consent that is related to Wipro. You have to click on this, and you successfully applied for the job opening. You will receive the mail from the Wipro team. Okay, let's check out. Okay, so we will receive this type of mail: application submitted, Wipro Limited, Wipro Work Integrated Learning Program 24. Hey Lokesh, your application has been submitted. Okay, so this is the complete recruitment process. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Thanks for watching the video.